In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Object Selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. This tool is incredibly handy for quickly selecting objects in your images, whether you need to adjust, move, or enhance certain elements, and it's particularly useful for refining selections with precision. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to find our starting point, which is the Object Selection tool. Head over to the toolbar on your left. Now, if you're having trouble spotting it right away, don't worry, it's commonly grouped with the Quick Selection and Magic Wand tools. You can click and hold on those tools to reveal the Object Selection tool. Once you have the right tool selected, take a look at the options bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll notice you can choose between two modes, rectangle or lasso. The choice between these two largely depends on the shape and intricacy of the object you're aiming to select. If your target is a simple shape or you are picking a distinctive section, the rectangle mode is straightforward and efficient. For more intricate shapes or when precision is needed, lasso mode allows you to draw around the object freely, offering greater control over the edges. Now that we've decided on a mode, it's time to select your object. Click and drag a rectangle around your object if you've opted for the rectangle mode. For lasso mode, carefully draw around the object you intend to select. Once you lift your mouse, Photoshop kicks into gear and automatically tries to detect the boundaries of the object, generating a selection for you. Sometimes, however, the initial selection may not be perfect. This is where refining your selection becomes important. You'll spot the options Add to or Subtract from in the options bar. These options are incredibly useful, allowing you to customize the selection further. If Photoshop misses a spot, use Add to include it. Conversely, use Subtract from if parts of the background sneak into your selection. Once you're satisfied with the basic selection, there's an additional step for those of you aiming for excellence, especially if your object has complex edges like hair or fur, or you simply want to fine-tune. Navigate to the top menu, click on Select, and choose Select and Mask. This will bring up a new workspace specifically designed for refining edges. It offers amazing tools like edge detection and smoothness adjustments, ensuring that even the trickiest parts of your selection look seamless and natural. And there you have it. By mastering the Object Selection tool, you're well on your way to creating clean, professional-looking images. So, go ahead, give it a try, and elevate your Photoshop skills to the next level. Thank you for watching.